When I was 14 years old, I started playing with the adults and the major league in Mexico. That much close to be professional. I played midfield. I think I was one of the best players in my place. I came to right here in the United States 15 years ago to have a better life. When I came here, we just thinking about work. I never think I want to play again soccer right here.
What we do is, this is my dad's, mine, and my little brother's. This was the first one where he was champion. I'm gonna say this is the best soccer team I've ever been with, just because the way we treated each other. Inca High School right here. It sucked whenever it was my last game. I cried.
The American League, I played with my son in 3 teams.
I've always been the youngest player in the team. I learned new things from him every time I play. I guess you could say I try to play like him.
I like to see him score goals and make good passes. I like to be with him all I can. Sometimes we don't talk about soccer. We talk something like, how are you doing? What are you doing in your work? Why you doing this, do that? I mean, not always is soccer.
It's the only time to get together and relax and talk about everything. I always like to play with Tomás. He's the best in the league. I am captain of Tomás' team, and we call it La Union because we were from different countries. We had guys from Argentina, Chile, Ecuador. And this Hispanic League, I would say about over 1,000 parents play soccer with their kids. For us, it's like a religion. Most of the Hispanic people work in construction, like me.
The Latino population, they take pride in work. And very often the men come here and they can't find work. They certainly can't find work legally. So they're willing to accept work, usually far below our minimum wage, but they will take what they can get because they want to help their families.
You are stressed, working hard all day, and about the problem of their status.
In the snap of a finger, they can be separated from their families, they can be separated from their children.
After work, it feels good to go to the soccer field with the kids. I mean, you feel relaxed and speaking your own language with your kids.
They are so strong on family unity, cousins, aunts, uncles. It supports, it's generous, without limits, the family.
My favorite memory, it would be when we played the finals. It was the last 5 minutes. I passed him the ball, he gave it back, and then I just took on 3 defenders and I passed it to someone else and we scored. And I didn't go hug the one who scored, I went to go hug my dad because he's the one that gave me that pass.
I always concentrate on the ball. That's all I think, the ball. If the ball goes away, I turn around if I watch the ball.
Many teenagers don't really spend time with their parents. So I guess this really helps us because every Sunday we're together, Wednesday, Saturday. We always go play, and after that, we go eat some ice cream and just talk about the game.
When he's watching the ball, he's doing good.